So, good afternoon, students. Today I am going to show you Jenkins. So, Jenkins is basically a CI CD tool where you can uh, multiple developers are working on a single repository. They can collaborate, they can track changes, they can easily review other documents, and they can also build their files weekly or after every push everything. So this is a very step-by-step procedure tutorial. So maybe I am going to divide this tutorial into some videos. So keep checking out my videos. So first you go to this jenkins.io and then you click download. You will see stable and weekly. So weekly, every time developers who are developing Jenkins software, they are releasing something. So there can be some bugs, everything. So I suggest you go for stable and then you can go for download Jenkins. So you can download via Docker, Kubernetes, Ubuntu, Fedora, Windows, and there are various others, Linux and other flavors. So for suitability or easier purpose, I'm going for download WAR file. WAR is Web Application Resources. So that means for one more thing, for installing Jenkins, you need Java 8 or Java 21. So you should be having a Java 8 or Java 21, basically preferably Java 21 in your system, pre-installed, added in your path. Then only Jenkins will work. So you can check if it is installed, cmd, go to command prompt, you type java dash dash version, enter. You can see Java 21 is installed. If it is not installed, if it will say there is no command like Java, then simply you go to JDK download and then you go to this portal, you find Java 21 and then depending on your x64 or xrm whatever is your there for Windows x64 and then Linux or Mac OS you can install. So if you click this, the Java will start and then install, it will install. And after installed, you need to add in your class path. So how to add in your class path? Edit, or maybe you go to environment. If you have admin access in your system, you can go here. Otherwise, if you are an account, a shared system, you can go here. Because I'm using shared system, I don't have access. So you can create a folder like you can create a new, and then you type Java underscore home, and then you give the path of the Java install. That means you go to C drive, and then you will see program files. You can see Java. This folder will be there, and then you go Java JDK21, and you copy this path. You copy this path, you paste here, and then OK. That is Java home. So I have done like this, and then you go to this path. This will be automatically there in your system. You simply click edit, and then you click new, and you click dash, and then bin, and then OK. So I have already Java home bins. So you can like this only, or that there are two ways. This much path is Java home, and then I put bin. That's why you can see Java home or bin. So I am deleting here. Java home bin is already there. So like this, you can install Java home. One more extra software which will be futurely will require. You can, that is Maven. You can go Maven. Maven also helps us building a Java applications or many other applications. So helps Java. So Maven you download, and then this zip file you download. You click there, and then it will start the download. So I have already downloaded it. So you can store it, doesn't require installation. So I have saved in D and then software. This this is the zip file. I have unzipped it, and then here you click, you copy this path. Again you go to here, environment, you go to this path, you click here, and then you same like Java form, you create a maven underscore form, and then you put this path, and again here you go to path, edit, and then uh, maven home. I think I have not given it. So I can give here edit, so like this. I've given the path, okay, and then if it is maven installed, you can go to command prompt. You type mvn dash dash version, enter. You can see Apache maven is there, Java version, and then all those things. So these two things you do before installing Jenkins. And now you go to Jenkins and you download the Java. You click here, download will start. Download will start. So I have already downloaded it. You can see I have already downloaded it. So I go to command prompt. So I type Java dash dash jar and then Jenkins.war. Oh, sorry, single star. So you will see like this with this Java jar command is unzipping war file, executing, then executing the file. Usually when we execute any Java program, we create a war file and we put that war file in a server, and then we run the server, and accordingly the application will be deployed. This is the way. You can see Jenkins will be up and running. Somewhere it will be there. Yeah, you can see Jenkins up and running. And also one more thing, when you start initially Jenkins, you will need a initial admin password. So it is stored in this folder. In my, you will be users inside your account name dot Jenkins secrets and then initial. So you go to this path, this PC, C drive, users, my account name. I go to Jenkins secret, initial admin password. I copy and then I go here. Jenkins runs in 8080. You can change that port also. We'll see how. So in copy this password, can comment. So it will ask us to suggested plugin or any plugin to install. So there are two ways. If you know which plugin you require for future, you can go for selected, or otherwise you can suggest. So I'm going for suggested. I suggest you to also go for this option. So I click here and it will automatically install the suggested plugins. It will take some time. Error is occurred. So maybe this is a initial proxy. That's why I think I just got to go and check out. Just a minute. So this is the first step of our Jenkins installation. The first step of our Jenkins installation. We'll continue with our new video. Thank you.